In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Colab to quickly generate data visualizations. So before I get started, let me just import the libraries that I might need here. So I'm going to import pandas, numpy, seaborn, and matplotlib. So let me run that. And then the next step is I'm going to actually import the penguins dataset from seaborn. So this is one of the readily available default datasets that you can just quickly import. And then I'm going to type in df.head so that I can preview this. Perfect. So we have basically some data on penguin species and their physical parameters. So things like bill length, bill depth, flipper length, body mass, and sex. So the way you can automate generating data visualizations is by clicking this view recommended plots here. So I didn't have to do anything. This is directly recommended by Google Colab as soon as I imported this data set. So I'm going to click on this and let's see what it does. So as you can see, it is automatically generating some recommended plots like histograms, bar graphs, scatter plots based on what the AI thinks is best for this data set, right? So this is pretty cool because sometimes when you have a data set, it can take a while to actually know what kind of dimensions or what kind of columns you want to visualize and how you want to visualize that. And so this kind of is good enough for your data visualizations, at least a good starting point to get you, thinking or get you inspired as to how you can visualize your data. So if you click one of these, let's say I want to click this flipper length histogram, it actually opens up this chart in a bigger view. And then you can even click on show code, which then shows you the code that it used to generate this. So there you have it, super simple. In a matter of few clicks, you can easily generate data visualizations for your dataset using Google Colab. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.